और फिर हमने बना दिए।
आवाज आप लोग मत करना लोग, ठीक है? कैमरा पे हाथ नहीं रखना, ओके? रेडी हो? ठीक है, आप मत सोचना कि यहाँ कुछ बन रहा है, आप उधर देखना मत, इधर देखना। चैप्टर इंग्लिश है, चैप्टर 1 टू कितना चैप्टर तक आ रहा है एग्जाम्स में? 6 चैप्टर तक, नजदीक आ रही है। चैप्टर 1 से चैप्टर 6 तक है, कस के जवाब देना जैसे कल राजीव दे रहा था, ठीक है? विंग्स ऑफ फ्लेम,
विंग्स ऑफ फ्लेम वाला रंगों वाली पानी,
ठीक है? डार्टेड,
गन दी जाती जानने वाली क्यों डाल होती है।
विंग्स,
विंग विंग पान
फ्लेम,
फ्लेम ज्वाला
ठीक है? कैडेंस,
कैडेंस कैडेंस लैग,
ठीक है? लैंग, क्लैंग, क्लैंग,
क्लैंग झंझना
चलो चलो यहाँ चलो। पापा ने क्या किया, सबका बॉडी में लिख दिया। अरे चैप्टर 1 का क्वेश्चन आंसर नहीं है तुम्हें? पोएम था, ठीक है? चैप्टर 2 से है। चैप्टर 1 में पोएम था ना, पोएम भी याद करा देंगे आप लोग को, क्वेश्चन आंसर नहीं था। आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन, हु ग्रीव ग्रेप्स? डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ ग्रेप्स, ठीक है? नेम द कलर्स, आराम से घबराना नहीं। नेम द कलर्स ऑफ ग्रेप ग्रोन बाय द जैदिन's फादर।
The colors of grown by Jadin's father were purple, green, purple and red.
ठीक है? नेम द fruits which Jadins ate throughout the year.
Jadin ate papaya, mango, chico, guava and custard apple throughout the year.
ठीक है? नेम द birds which came to the tree.
Turquoise, crow, manus, bulbul, woodpecker, sunbird and not all come to the tree.
Good, बहुत बढ़िया। What did Jadin learn?
Jadin learned the name of all the world.
ठीक है? Answer in details. Where did Jadin live?
Jadin lived in a beautiful house on a vineyard in Nasik, Maharashtra.
Good. Why did Jadin eat a custard apple?
Jadin had custard apple because he custard apple tree and told that after Jadin's bedroom windows, Jadin would often pack custard apple through the window and eat them in his room.
ठीक है? What came to the tree and why?
Many were come to the tree when celebrated in the tree. The birds were packed at the fruit before they could ripen with their backs and make house in them.
Good, बहुत बढ़िया, सही जा रहे हो, एकदम आराम से जाओ, ठीक है? What activities did Jadin use to watch through the window?
Jadin used to watch different birds through the window. He learned the names of all the birds. He often liked and watch come to them and knew their calls.
ठीक है? Why did Jadin's father want to cut the tree? ए लड़का तुम बैठ जाओ।
Jadin's father wanted to cut the tree because the birds enjoyed the fruit more than they do.
हर्ष तुम जल्दी करो याद, पापा बोलते सर उसका वीडियो नहीं आता है। आप कितना दिन छुट्टिए थे कि आपका तैयारी नहीं हुआ है? जल्दी याद करो, आपका भी बनेगा। Why was Jadin happy in the end of the story?
Jadin happy in the end of the story because he understand in not to cut down the tree because he loved the birds as much as he loved the fruits of the tree.
Extinct. Extinct.
Extinct दुर्लभ,
ठीक है? Habitat.
HABITAT हैवी निवास स्थान प्रकृतिवास,
ठीक है? Here.
HEAR है सुनना,
Recall.
RCAW recall याद करना,
बहुत बढ़िया। Rather.
RATHER निसंदेह,
Rump.
RUMP पिछड़ी,
Chapter 3. Name the words which had become extinct.
Cursor had become extinct.
Which birds is talked about in these articles?
Jaden Cursor in talked about in this article.
Journal cursor is talked about. ठीक बोल रहा हूँ. इनके स्थान पे बोलना था. Who had a discovered cursor?
Cursor was discovered by Dr. T.C. Jaden in central India around 1848.
इंग्लिश में नहीं बोलता है. Around 1848. चलिए ठीक है. How frequent a cursor was spotted?
Cursor was spotted in 202 by Mr. Bharat of BNHS, Bombay National Historic Society.
Why does the writer say to the delight of
The
ornithologists?
writer said to the delight of anthology because he got once more chance to study them and hear its calls once again.
Chapter 4. Why did the Nawab disguise himself?
The Nawab disputed himself because he wanted to see whether people are happy or not in this kingdom.
ठीक है. Why was the Nawab? जाओगे बाहर तुम? जाओ. हाथ दर्द नहीं लगा. अच्छा ठीक है. हाँ जब देगा तो फिर तुम आ जाना. Okay. Why was the Nawab's clock weight?
The Nawab clock was wet because he all the clock was spotted with land.
How did the couples assure the Nawab?
The compass survived the Nawab very well. The compass survived the Nawab very well. They survived.
Him.
They survived his performance place to stay at night beside fire and blanket to cover hymns and also a breakfast and morning.
बहुत बढ़िया. Did the three sons write letters to their parents?
No, the three sons did not write letters to their parents because they did not hear how to write.
Why was the Nawab proud of his cavalry?
The Nawab was proud of cavalry because the riders in horses
ठीक है तेजर in his cavalry
in his cavalry
regiment
were the best that could be found in this kingdom.
Chapter 5. Oh shame
SWM से प्रतीत होना
for क्या है? Remember.
REMEMB याद करना.
ठीक है. Answer the following questions में where was the child on that day so long ago? What the seasons?
The child was on the road beside a mountain and all house and a tree. It was summer season.
ठीक है. Was the tea refreshing? How do you know?
Yes, the tea refreshing as it hard health tells.
The boy was.
The boy was on the road.
कितना मिनट का बना? 9 मिनट है. चैप्टर 6 लास्ट चैप्टर है. ठीक है. आराम से जवाब देना. बढ़िया जवाब देना. बहुत सही जा रहा है. तैयारी अच्छा है. Who is the writer of the letter? चैप्टर 6 में है. आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन. Who is the writer of the letter?
The writer of letter.
Roosevelt.
Question
Roosevelt. Who is the writer of the letter? क्या था? थियोडोर क्या रोजवेल्ट, द 26th president of the
Father Roosevelt, the 26th president of United States of America. America is writer of the letter.
यूनिट नहीं बोला, यूनाइटेड स्टेट ऑफ अमेरिका होता है, ठीक है। डिस्क्राइब द प्लेस दैट द राइटर विजिटेड। द प्लेस वाज, याद है? क्वेश्चन है डिस्क्राइब द प्लेस दैट द राइटर विजिटेड।
The right.
The place was simple, self-evident.
The place was a simple, very safe, wasting of horse was destroyed. That was a lovely spot on a headland overlooking a broad inter from the Portmal. There was also all one.
ठीक है, graveyard. What a special thing did the right mentions about the graveyard? What a special thing did the right mention about the graveyard?
The graveyard had the gravestone of Washington, father, mother, and grandmother. They are all were nearly unique. They are cement lovely and burn.
Who does the mother refer to?
The mothers is referred to the mothers of children, writers children, i.e. his wife.
I need that is इसको पढ़ते हैं, that is why, ठीक है। Who does he and his refers to? Who does he and his refer to? Refer to. He and his refer.
He and his refer to Archie, his son.
ठीक है। What does the strict promise refers to?
The strict promise referred to escape the flowing water. Escape right flowing water.
ठीक है। जब तक वीडियो बंद नहीं करने बोलेंगे मत बंद करना, ओके। Who does the promise make to?
The promise of made to writer himself.
6 चलो बंद मत करना जब तक बोलेंगे नहीं। चैप्टर 6 तक आपका ये पूरा डन है। इसका ऑब्जेक्टिव भी था ना पूरा 6 चैप्टर ना, 5 चैप्टर याद है, ठीक है। आप जाके थोड़ा सा देखिए क्योंकि वीडियो भी 10 मिनट का बन चुका है, ये अपलोड नहीं होगा इससे ज़्यादा अगर लेंगे तो, ठीक है। आप कट करो।